Fritz.
Fritz. Love. You're like, all right,
Look at her tail go.
I know. Can you just give her kisses? What, you see how
I think he's trying to get her to play and maybe he doesn't fully understand. Oh, look, he's giving kisses to Lucia now. You're just a lovey-dovey dog. Just a lovey-dovey boy.
But look how she...
Yeah.
she's
Oh,
coming to
hi.
you. She's coming to
Hi.
Mama. What a good boy. Good girl.
Hi. What do you think?
Oh, he's licking her. Oh, look at him.
Oh. You trying to make her leg better? You smell the soap I didn't get completely out of her tail?